So today I'm going to talk about what you can do in and around Lake Louise. So as you can see behind me, the beautiful Lake Louise, there is a lot of hiking trails here all around the lake, and there's smaller ones that are like 1 or 2 kilometers, and there's longer ones that are 10-15 kilometers, different elevations, different levels of intensity, so you can pick which one you do. There's also one a tea house up at the back in one of the hikes that ends, and it gives you a really nice view of the other side of the lake and the hotel. The hotel itself has canoeing activities here that is open in the day, so you can canoe out into the lake. When you're done around here, there's also another alpine lake with turquoise blue waters and not as many people, but it can get crowded, is Lake Moraine, and which is only about a 20-minute drive from here. It's a nice. It's actually known for its beautiful sunrise. It has about six peaks in the mountain range that overlook Lake Moraine, and you have to be there at like 4:30 in the morning to get a parking spot and to get the best spot to be able to catch the sunrise. So when the sun rises, all those 6 peaks start to light up like candles, and it's just one of the most beautiful views that you can have.